INETON, digital transformation in the construction industry. In the construction industry, work is hampered by unreliability, inaccuracy, and problems with quality. Why? In Hungary today, there are around 340,000 people working in the construction industry, but more are needed. We cannot offset the effects of aging and emigration because very few people are studying construction in vocational schools. In other industries, these effects are counterbalanced by digitalization. But traditional work organization structures in the construction industry are hindering innovation. INETON's solution is innovative digital planning and automated factory prefabrication, resulting in reliable, precise execution. Digital BIM-based design creates a three-dimensional database. From this, our experts create the shop drawings, which are followed by the automated production line to manufacture the building components. This ensures perfect quality and dimensional accuracy. Therefore, construction with INETON is precise, fast, and reliable, like a Japanese Super Express. Each element produced is given an ID, which also indicates the order of installation. Assembly of the high-quality prefabricated elements replaces a number of complex work processes at the construction site. As a result, the construction requires less skilled labor, is safer, and less exposed to weather effects. Ultimately, prefabrication can replace at least 50% of on-site work hours, yet still provide reliable, guaranteed quality. Prefabricated elements not only provide structure, they can also include pre-installed electrical and building service systems, insulation, and even provide a fair-faced concrete surface straight from the factory. With elements that can be shaped within a wide range, a unique building can be created, with the added benefit of an earthquake-resistant structure without the need for special solutions. Structures, wall elements, and floor slabs are built in a closed space, using environmentally friendly technology, while construction produces significantly less waste, noise, and dust. This is not just an environmental benefit, as it also makes the workplace healthier and reduces the impact on neighborhoods. This is the INETON solution.